But it's true that you've been beside me. 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 Guess we're here way too long for this shit in my youth. I need something so fucking strong. Paralyze me. And these conversations, they too gone. Don't got a mind for this shit, niggas don't know where to quit. Mind for this shit, niggas don't know where to quit. Mind for this shit, niggas don't know where to quit. Mind for this shit, niggas don't know where to quit. Mind for this shit, niggas don't know where to quit. Mind for this shit, niggas don't know where to quit. Mind for this shit, niggas don't know where to quit. I've been cooped up, don't need you to listen. Give you all that I had, told you my reasons, plenty conviction. So never let it bring me down, that's not the issue. Niggas throw in the towel like fuck wrong with you. Please a test for me.